Elections are on in Bihar, and as Bihar enters second phase of polling, the BJP and the Grand Alliance have been busy crossing swords with each other over issues of concern. A report from the land of Buddha over the developments. Campaigning for the second phase of 32 assembly constituencies spread across 6 districts came to an end on Wednesday. BJP-led NDA and the Grand Alliance sharpened their attack on each other over sting operation of a minister and PM Narendra Modi's delayed reaction on Dadri lynching case. The polls are scheduled on October 16. The sting video of a senior minister Avdesh Prasad Kushwaha provided the BJP-led NDA with fresh ammunition to attack the Grand Secular Alliance on corruption during the electioneering for the second phase of the fifth phase polls.
हमारा एक ही एजेंडा है, बिहार का विकास। और उनके भाषण सुनिए, क्या बोलते हैं? पत्रकार परिषद करें तो क्या बोलते हैं? टीवी एंकर को बाइट दे तो क्या बोलते हैं? टीवी में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करे तो क्या बोलते हैं? बड़े बड़े समारोह करके टीवी वालों को बुलाकर कार्यक्रम करे तो क्या बोलते हैं? एक ही बोलते हैं, हम मोदी का विनाश करके रहेंगे, हम मोदी का विनाश करते रहेंगे, हम मोदी का विनाश करके रहेंगे।
The video notably surfaced on the birth anniversary of Jai Prakash Narayan. Modi attacked Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav, products of JP's Total Revolution movement, for insulting JP, who fought against corruption. On the contrary, Nitish and Lalu attacked Narendra Modi for his delayed reaction to the Dadri lynching incident. The PM reportedly had said in an interview, "Incidents like Dadri and Ghulam Ali are really sad, but what is the role of the centre in these incidents? BJP doesn't support these incidents. There is no connection to the centre, and these issues are related to law and order and the concern of the state governments." The second phase is being seen as an important one of the Grand Alliance, as the JDU-RJD combined had won 21 out of 32 seats in the 2010. The BJP would be looking to improve upon its tally of 9 in 2010. While the future of the Secular Alliance led by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar hangs on this phase, the NDA needs the numbers for more seats in the Rajya Sabha that would help it push its reforms agenda. All the parties in the fray have focused on development in the backward state, but have not shied away from caste and communal politics.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी, अमित शाह, रविशंकर प्रसाद, NDA, BJP आपके हाथ में कंप्यूटर, किताब और कलम देना चाहती है। और लालू प्रसाद जी क्या देना चाहते हैं? याद बानो, तेल पिलावन लाठी बजावन, याद बा कि ना? यह लड़ाई बा। इसे नौजवानों, आज बदलना है बिहार। खौफ का माहौल, जंगल राज बनाम विकास राज।
Powered by NNIS.